In this video, I'll show you how to add a VPN to your Amazon Fire TV stick step by step. Keep in mind that VPNs work on all versions of Fire TV, but if you're using the Fire TV stick, only the second generation and above are compatible with VPN apps. For this tutorial, we will be using NordVPN. NordVPN is by far the best VPN for Fire TV stick in terms of speed, security, and streaming access. It works flawlessly with all major streaming platforms and helps you access global content safely. You can use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and follow along with this tutorial. On your Fire TV home screen, go to the Find icon and open Search. Type NordVPN in the search bar. Once it appears in the results, select it under Apps and Games and hit Download or Get. When the installation is complete, click Open to launch the app. Now, sign in to your NordVPN account. You can log in using a QR code, a manual code, or directly through your remote. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface with the Quick Connect button. Clicking Quick Connect will automatically connect you to the fastest and most stable server available. When you do this, a connection request will pop up, just press OK, and you'll be connected in seconds. If you want to connect manually, scroll down to the All Countries menu, where you'll find servers from over 8,490 locations across 129 countries. You can also explore the Specialty Servers section, which includes double VPN for extra protection, routing your connection through 2 different countries and obfuscated servers. Designed to bypass restrictions in highly censored regions like Russia or China. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find useful options like Split Tunneling, which lets you select which apps use the VPN and which don't, and Threat Protection, which blocks ads, unsafe connections, and malicious websites while you're connected. Once you get familiar with the app, it's super easy to use. Just pick a server, connect, and start streaming safely. Using NordVPN on your Fire Stick is one of the best ways to unlock more content, protect your privacy, and enjoy smooth, secure streaming from anywhere in the world. You'll find a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Go check it out and get started today.